Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to make a once-off payment on the FNB app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap Pay. From here, select Once Off Payment. You will now see different payment options. To make a normal once-off bank payment, tap Specify Recipient Details. Next, select Bank/branch number. Then choose the bank the recipient uses. On the next page, enter the recipient's name and account number. After that, enter the branch code. Next, you'll be taken to a page where you must enter the payment amount. Below that, enter your own reference and the recipient's reference. You can also tick the box at the bottom if you want to receive proof of payment. Once everything looks correct, press Continue at the bottom of the screen. Review the payment details carefully, then confirm the transaction using the app authentication. After confirmation, the payment will be received. And that is it. That is how you make a once-off payment on the FNB app. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.